Hi CS Teach students, Mr. Morgan here. I'm going to show you how and why to use the green flag block. The green flag block is for setting up a scene. For example, you will be building a project that has a sequence of events, a beginning, a middle, and an end. By the end of your project, most likely your characters are going to be in a totally different place, looking completely different than they do at the beginning. The green flag block is what you will use to set up your scene. Here's how we do it. We drag a green flag block from the Events tab. Here's Events, here's a green flag, and you drag it here. So go ahead and do that. Great. The next thing we want to do is position the sprites. So let's take this cat. I want the cat to start over on the grass, so I move it there. The next thing I do is I go to Motion, I go to this block, go to X, Y, and I drag it and hook it up. That way, no matter where the sprite ends up, when I press the green flag, it will go back to here, the starting location. In fact, let's do that for this sprite as well. I drag the green flag over, I go position the sprite where I want it to start, and then I click the motion block and go to. You'll notice this set of numbers is different than this set of numbers. That's because Scratch automatically updates these numbers to reflect the current position of the sprite for you. Okay, the next thing I will want to do is make sure that this sprite is wearing the right costume. So I go to Looks, I go to Switch Costume, I move that over, and this sprite has two costumes. I want this sprite to start with costume 1. Finally, it is important to specify if the sprite is shown or hidden. For example, by the end of a scene, you may find that you want a sprite to disappear. Or, halfway into a scene, you may want the sprite to appear for the first time. This is done here with Hide and Show. Both of these sprites should start being the scene visible. So let's drag a show block. And let's say I want, there we go. And I also want to start this forever block in motion with a green flag so that it will work. This forever block, by the way, just checks to see if the cat is touching the boy. And if the cat, if touching sprite 1 is the cat, if the boy is touching the sprite, it'll keep flipping the next costume. Let's see how that works. Green flag, and we walk the cat over to the boy. He moves. Now I'm done with the scene. Green flag, and you see they both reset to the proper location. That is how you use the green flag.